My name is Bonnie Reich and welcome to Symmetry Closets. We understand there's no such thing as a simple life, but a well-ordered life is achievable through great design. It's so nice to cook dinner for your family or entertain your friends with a great meal, but it's so frustrating when you go into your pantry and you can't find what you're looking for because everything's such a mess. Well, I'm going to share with you a few tips today on how to keep your pantry looking great and functioning really, really well. The first thing that I like to make sure that you understand is those old wire shelves just won't do. What you really want are solid laminate shelving. And the great thing about these shelves is that they're adjustable. Now you don't have to stack 3 cans high, so you can see everything you have. Now accessories are really important in a pantry too. There are so many great items to choose from. There are slide outs that are specifically made for spices, cans, even wine bottles can pull out and be stored in your pantry in a way that you can see them. The other great product to think about is custom-made pullouts. These are wood boxes. They can be made in any width, any depth, and height, so it's designed just for you. With so many custom accessories to choose from, your pantry will make cooking a pleasure. And remember, big dreams live in small spaces.